Hello there. We just got done watching the Netflix film Damsel. It was made or came out in 2024. It's PG-13. It is a 1 hour and 49-minute long movie. And it's a action adventure style movie. A young woman's marriage to a charming prince turns into a fierce fight for survival when she's offered up as a sacrifice to a fire-breathing dragon. We gave this a 1 thumbs up. I would give this a 3 out of 5 stars. I thought it was done pretty good. It's very straightforward as far as how you feel like the story is going to go. It pretty much follows exactly what you would expect. I thought the CGI was done okay. The dragon was just a bit bony for my taste. I like a chunkier dragon. That's just me. It's personal preference. If you've seen Damsel, let me know what you thought of it in the comment section below. And if you haven't seen it, I'll put the trailer down below if you want to check out the trailer. But yeah, I'd say this is a decent one for once around, especially for a younger audience. I think a younger audience would really enjoy this, like a 12-year-old audience. That age group, I think, would really enjoy the hell out of this. But yeah, thanks for watching this review, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.